Hi there, my name is Sarah and I am the founder of Mojo Mingle, and in this video I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that people ask, and that is, which event should I go to as my first event? So it really kind of depends on your personality. If you're someone who's comfortable spending time in groups and starting conversations and engaging in conversations, then you could pretty much try any of the events that will work well for you because you're a people person naturally. Dinners are great for that because we usually spend at least a couple of hours interacting with each other, and then usually after the host is knocked off for the night, then you've got plenty of time after the event if you want to continue socializing with people and continuing with those conversations. If you're someone who's perhaps a little bit shy and you want to kind of take baby steps towards coming out and being more social with us, then a wing person event or a meet and greet for just the ladies or just the fellas is a really good way to come out and experience your first event with us. Sometimes it just feels like there's a little less pressure to start conversations when you're around similar people. So if all the blokes are hanging out, they can talk about whatever guys talk about. If all the girls are hanging out, then they can talk about whatever all the girls enjoy talking about. And it's just a little bit easier to come along to your first event when you're around like really like-minded people. And once you're at the meet and greet or the wing person event, you're likely to find someone else who's exactly the same as you, who's keen to get out and be social in the mixed social groups, especially if it's one of the singles events that you want to go to. And then you can bring along your new friend and you can go together as you know, as your wing person, as your wingman, as your wing woman. And it just helps to make it easier coming out to social events if you know someone who's going to be there. Wing person events really good if you're shy, nervous, and you want to take a baby step towards getting out to the mixed events. If you are introverted and you tend to feel a little bit like being around a group of people all at once and engaging in lots of conversations is a bit maybe draining on your energy, then you might be more suited to one of the activity type events, such as a nature walk, the bouldering or rock climbing, maybe 10-pin bowling. Generally with the activity types of events, usually you end up hanging around one or two people while the activity's happening. So if it's a nature walk, you might be walking in a line or side by side with one or two other people. With the bowling, we tend to sort of take turns bowling and then come back and have a chat with one or two other people. It's a little bit easier to have conversations when it's just one or two people around you in that kind of situation. So yeah, I would say an activity event is generally best for introverted people, but also the wing person events or meet and greet events are great for introverts as well. Obviously, if you're single and wanting to meet other singles, then the singles events are a really good way to get out and meet other singles. It doesn't really matter if you're going just to find friends or if you're actually looking for a partner. It's a great way to be around other singles. If you're not single and you just want to get out and enjoy activities with us, then you will find events on the calendar that will say all welcome. And yeah, they're a great way to just come out and be social with us.